How to disable Adobe Premiere Pro System Compatibility Report pop-up message. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of being greeted by the Adobe Premiere Pro System Compatibility Report pop-up message every time you launch the software? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put an end to this annoying pop-up once and for all. Let's get started. At first, click to continue with known issues. Move up here and click on Edit. Down, click on Preferences. Now select General. OK. Under General, down here you can see Show System Compatibility Issues at Startup. Uncheck this option. After that, click on OK to continue. Now close the program. Again, reopen it. OK. By following these simple steps, you can finally bid farewell to the Adobe Premiere Pro System Compatibility Report pop-up message. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!